Hey everyone, I'm Yasmin.
And I'm Tala.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We're doing a home tour, so come along with us.
Super excited. Italian home tour.
Buckle up.
Are you here for a home tour?
Yes, show me around.
Welcome to our home. This is our dining table area. And then right here is just a little area where we put our keys, and I have all my fall decorations. This right here is our kitchen. I am obsessed with our kitchen. I love the color of it. It is blue and it reminds me of the beach, which we do live like really close to the beach, walking distance. And that's one of the reasons why we decided to move here. That right there keeps all of our dishes, pots and pans, and it's literally a lifesaver.
So over here we have our coffee bar. We got our French press and our espresso maker. And actually, let's pop this on. Get an espresso going.
Yes, let's have a coffee break.
And Yasmin actually made these little espresso cups. And that actually is where we're currently staying in Italy, is Sicily. It's a beautiful island down south.
We love it here. It's so nice. Meet our babies. This is Lyza. And over here
Is Sammi.
is our Sammi girl. And these are our babies. We don't have any children yet. But they literally are our children. Let's go on and see the family room.
So over here we got our couch. We just hang out over here, watch some TV.
Play some games. We love playing board games.
It's a big area. Actually, we were pretty nervous about bringing this couch over since it's so big, and we got lucky finding somewhere that fits it.
Yeah. Both of the places fit it, but we really got lucky.
Yeah. So over here we got our TV, wood fireplace.
Which we haven't been able to use yet because it's been so hot here.
And over here we got our pantry. Super convenient to have. We just put all our stuff in here. Not a lot of places in Italy have it, so we're glad we have one. And also downstairs we have a bathroom, a shower, which is definitely nice to have down here.
Yes. We have a shower outside too, for when we come back from the beach. Okay, and let's go ahead and show them upstairs.
And if you guys are enjoying this video, if you could please give it a like.
Thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, please. We really appreciate that. We are going to get better about posting videos for you guys.
And we're headed to the Dolomites here in about a week, so look out for that video.
So we're super excited.
We'll be right back.
It really help our channel if you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Adios. Ready?
Set.
Go! Okay. Can we get an espresso break?
No, let's just keep going.
You're supposed to say.
But we just moved to our house.
You're looking in the camera, right? The whole time you're talking?
Mm-mm.
What are you looking at yourself?
The camera, the thing. Tala, welcome to our YouTube. It's real loud.
We started this channel to...
Okay.
Okay. No more joshing around.
I'm not joshing. I'm good. I've been
Oh,
smooth.
really? Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay, bye.
and we'll see you on the next adventure.